Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are a subscriber by now. If not, please do press the bell icon. I hope you are also on the WhatsApp group where we are doing 100 PYQs daily. We have been doing this since the past 6 to 7 months together. If you're not on the group, the link is in the description. Press that link and join the WhatsApp group and join everybody in solving the PYQs together. This video is about the mistakes that you need to avoid in the last 30 days so as to score your best, perform your best, and give your best in the exam. So, first of all, no new resources now. Nothing is as important to take it up at this moment. If you have left something big, if you have left a subject, then do it. But otherwise, for the same subject, do not pick up new resources in FOMO. That's the foremost thing that you need to avoid. Second is doing both rapid revision and BTR. Please don't do both. Do either of them. Either do rapid revision or do BTR. Don't do both because they are almost the same thing. If you think that you will do both and your preparation will increase, that will probably not happen because they are almost on the same level. Third thing is not revising your old grand test. All of you have spent 3.5, 4 good hours giving that grand test. Maybe you have revised it that day, but now, since a long time, you have not had a look at the grand test. So you need to learn from those mistakes. Most of the people are in the range of 110, 120, 130 corrects. They have about 60 to 70 questions wrong. That means 70 topics to learn from every grand test. Just spend 1.5 hour on those GTs which you have already given. You have already spent good 4.5 hours on them. Do give it 1.5 hour, 1 GT every day maybe, or 1 GT every 2 days just to review. You will gain a lot. Promise, you will gain a lot. I can promise you that. Fourth is, poor time management. Most of you start reading one subject and get stuck with that subject. You need to set in timelines and you need to move on. You don't have to keep stuck to one subject. You can't keep reading it, you can't keep revising it. Sometimes you get stuck and it doesn't get over, but you have to move on. You have to cover all 19 subjects before the 30th this month, and then in the last 10 days we are going to do one more revision. So this is very important. Fifth is not attempting questions, just keep on reading theory. No, this is very wrong. You need to attempt custom modules daily, at least 100 question ka custom module which you have been reading and 100 mixed bag, at least this, so that you know very well how to attempt questions. You can strategize how many questions you can mark on fluke and how many of them are getting correct. So you need to have this practice. These are the 5 things I want you to keep in mind in the last 30 days so as to avoid and give your best performance in the coming exam. All the very best, guys. If you're not a subscriber now, please press the bell icon. Thank you for helping me, and I hope you secure a very good rank.